Somewhere in the heart of Indonesia, there's an island that looks like it was painted by the ocean itself. An island where cliffs rise like giants, and the sea glows in impossible shades of blue. This place shouldn't exist, but it does. Welcome to Nusa Penida. This is Kelingking, the viewpoint that made Nusa Penida famous. They call it the T-Rex cliff. But standing here feels more like standing on the edge of another world. The drop is terrifying. The view is breathtaking. And no matter how many photos you've seen, nothing prepares you for this moment. Then there's Diamond Beach, a place so beautiful it almost feels edited. Crystal water, white sand, towering cliffs carved by centuries of storms and waves. Getting down isn't easy, but once you reach the shore, everything feels calm, peaceful, perfect. High above the coastline sits one of Nusa Penida's most iconic places, the treehouse. It's small, it's simple, but the view from here feels infinite. This is the kind of place where time slows down, where worries disappear, where all you hear is the wind and the ocean breathing below you. But the real magic of Nusa Penida is how untouched it feels. Sharp cliffs, hidden coves, wild waves that never stop crashing. This island isn't polished, it isn't perfect, it's raw, dramatic, alive. In a world full of busy cities and noise, there are still places that feel pure. Places that remind us how small we are, and how beautiful the planet can be. Nusa Penida isn't just a destination, it's a reminder that some wonders are still real,